Conditions. Imagine a day when you want to order tacos. You go to La Cafe's website and you search their menu. Luckily, they do have it available that day. And the next thing you do is to order it. What if they didn't? You would check some other place, right? What we just saw is that you had a simple condition in your mind. If a restaurant offers me tacos, I will order it. Else, I will not. And maybe I will look for some other place. That's an if else condition. Similarly, La Cafe website also was executing a very simple condition. If we have the food item that the customer is looking for available in our menu, we will display it as available, else we don't. Now, in JavaScript world, to let computer know about your condition, you would use an if else condition. So, based on the example, the search food item is tacos. The website loops through its menu items, that is, the three items that we have listed it here, and check to see if any of the item matches with what the customer is looking for. In our case, it's tacos. And as soon as one of the items matches, it prints out, hey, tacos are available, feel free to order. We are back to our JavaScript playground. To understand if-else condition better, what if I'm looking for poke bowl to eat? Now, La Cafe's menu offer only 4 food items so far. And so, if I'm looking for poke bowl, my code would look something like this. For each item within La Cafe's menu, if any of the item is equal to poke bowl, in that case, print that food item is available. That is, the item, the matched or the searched item with just matched, that just matched is available. And so, if we run this example, we see that nothing got printed. And so, their menu doesn't offer poke bowl, it seems. Now, what if I'm looking for tacos? Let's run it. Oh, tacos is available. And the reason why it is available is when we were looping through the menu, one of the item, which was tacos in the menu, matched with what we were looking for. And so that printed tacos is available. And so what we just saw is that our if condition became true, and hence it printed tacos is available.